Hey, sixth grade, we are going to be looking at congruent triangles. Congruent triangles are the same shape and the same size. We're also going to be looking at other shapes that you can move. I know your book does mirror image first, but I think mirror is easier than sliding triangles. I'm going to show you how I do it. And then I want you to watch carefully, and this is how I would like for you to do it. I always start on the top most left-hand spot, okay? So top left, that would be this spot right here. Does everybody see that? That's my top, and that's the furthest left. Okay, the instructions on this say slide this triangle unit to the right 6 units. Well, I'm counting from here. So I don't count that dot. I count the next dot because I have to move it 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you're not ready to draw the triangle. Now you have to move it down 4 units. So you don't count that dot because you have to move it 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this is my new point. This point and this point. Now I'm going to count how many dots there are for my triangle. There are 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 over there. Did you see what I did? I did not count that. I counted 1, 2, and 3. Don't count that dot. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So my new triangle is triangle B, okay? Now I have a parallelogram. I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to start with my top left right here. Okay, so now it says move it 7 units to the left. So here I go. Do not count that dot. I've got to move it 1 space first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm not ready to draw yet because I have to move it 4 units up. Don't count that dot. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is my new dot. There it is. Okay, so now I'm going to draw that parallelogram, but starting right there, using this as my reference point. I'm 1, 2, 3, 4. Do not count that dot. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's one line of my parallelogram. And then the easiest way on a parallelogram is to go 1, 2, 3 down and 1, 2, 3 over. So for this one, I'm going 1, 2, 3 down and 3 over. 1, 2, 3. That's that line. Same thing. This one should be exactly the same. I'm going to go from this point right here, 1, 2, 3 down and 1, 2, 3 over. So I'm going to do the same thing for this one. 1, 2, 3 down, 1, 2, 3 over. So now I'm going to connect the dots. And I have successfully moved that parallelogram. Now a mirror image is just a reflection of that. You can draw it connected to it. It's super easy. From the point, from the base, the center line, you have 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you just kind of connect the dots. That is a mirror image. Mirror images are easy. I think you have one in your book that's kind of different. It does something like that. Maybe like that kind of deal. I can't remember. And you have to make a mirror image. It's 4 of them together. But I think that's easy and you should be able to do it. Remember, I would start with top left, and then follow the instructions, okay? Follow the instructions from that. You have to pick a point. I call it my reference point, so that when I have finally gotten to my destination, I know now that that point is the same as that, and I look at the triangle and draw the same. Look at the rectangle. Look at the rectangle and draw the same. All right, thanks.